Welcome back, guys. You might have found yourself in situations like this where you want to generate videos on Grok and it generates the video automatically without you adding a prompt. Sometimes it gets annoying because you get to waste your limits and that generates automatically. But then there's a way you could actually change the whole automatic video generation. It starts generating it automatically. Yes, there's a way you could correct that. It starts generating the video automatically. So instead of you doing that, what you do is that you come to your settings instead of it generating your video automatically. So you come to your settings right here, and here in your settings, you're going to see things like appearance, you're going to see behavior. So now behavior is where you want to actually change most of the settings. One of the settings that annoys me the most on Grok is you trying to generate an image and it keeps scrolling. Yes, that's auto scroll for you. So you turn that off and enable sidebar editor for code and documents. You can leave this on. But the most important one for video generation, which is enable automatic video generation, is this. All you have to do is to turn this off. If you're using basic rock, you have to turn this off. The moment you turn it off, you'll be able to customize your video without having to wait for the video to generate automatically. So that's how to go about this. And right now, you can now input your prompts the way you want to input it, then make video out of this. But right now, we'll be able to set it, and you can go ahead to just find the settings and do it for yourself. Before we go, a lot of you have been asking me about the hack I shared on how to use Grok, Super Grok, for free. So you can get that hack right here. All you have to do is to come to belargecreative.com. When you come to belargecreative.com, come to the creative blog session, and when you come to the creative blog session, you'll see the Super Grok. This is it right here. So you have to go check it out. The whole details is right there, the video too is right there. So that will be all for now. I hope to see you on the next one. If not subscribed to my channel just yet, do remember to subscribe. I hope to see you on another one. Bye for now.